Folks, welcome back. Margot, what are we going to draw today?
A cute dinosaur.
A dinosaur. Ooh, dinosaur. It's an interesting choice. Okay, it has to be cute, right?
Yes.
As usual.
All of it has to be cute.
A lot of cute things.
Or else I'll get mad.
Nothing. Okay, so let's start. I suppose that in this case it will be, well, no, it's common, to be honest, in our drawing that the head will be big enough. So let's start with it, and let's go with the usual, like bone shape or something like that one, and then we can have the body to be a little bit of a sort of a circle. So what we're going to do is to have this little, here, and like a little here. So far it looks like a mushroom, but we'll get better. Okay, let's have the back feet, like having those like that, and on the other side as well. So we have to and turn. Okay, and we can close it right here. Okay, and then eventually we have the two parts to be like a cute thing here, like that, and we can have a little bit of define the belly, and we have obviously a cute tail. And then one thing that it's actually pretty common in dinosaurs are some spikes on the head and the back. So let's start with this one, and then we go with this one, and then we go again and again, and then we continue down in here on the tail as well. Yeah, very cute. And we are going to have, let's say, Margot, open mouth or closed mouth, whatever you want. It's just a smile, or they are laughing?
Just a smile.
Just a smile, okay. We
It
put
looks so adorable for now.
Thank you. So we're going to have this in here, and then we have one eye here and the other eye here, and eventually we can make them to be like he is really smiling with a little reflection in here. Obviously we make the eyes to be black, cute, yeah, with the reflection and all. So we did it properly. That's the last one. Okay. And guess why, Margot, I have left the eyes to be so cute?
Cheeks.
Yes! Super round cheeks.
Cheeks are so cute. This morning my cheeks were super red.
Yeah, you were like this dinosaur this morning.
Because I put loads of soap on my face.
Well, that's good. You were washing your face.
But I put too much soap and it itches.
Ah,
How
yeah.
is that okay?
No, that was not. But still, you had cute cheeks after that.
I
Okay.
remember when you said you have red cheeks. Why do you have red cheeks?
So, what do you think?
It is excellent. It's pretty cute.
Okay, thank you very much. Guys, so now you know how to do a cute dinosaur as well. Eventually, one thing is, I want to give him a little bit of shadow. There you go.
Wait, I have an idea.
Yeah, tell
You
me.
wanna do the gum on his toe.
Whoa, that's a cute one. Yes, I can do it with the pink. Like it was a kitty.
You know dogs have black ones,
Yeah.
even cats.
Yeah, but when they are puppies,
They're real animals though.
yeah, when they are puppies,
They have pink.
yes, exactly. They become black later.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a sort of a cute, let's say, dinosaur kitty / kitty. Oh, one thing that we can do is to put the nose in there. And that's it, guys. See you next time with our amazing drawings.
Even I love it.
Have a nice one, everyone. Bye bye.